Hey, welcome back. So this will be a quick video. Under this video, we are just going to discuss how we can create our data cloud org. You can go to this developer.salesforce.com and you can click on this. Under this banner, you have option to get developer edition. If you click here, it will ask you to create a dev org. So now data cloud is available in all developer or edition org. So you can go and create it. If just in case you don't see this banner, then you can go and click on this browse trial. Under this, you have this developer org, right? Here you will see harmonize your data with data cloud. So that means data cloud capabilities are there. Now let me quickly fill the details and then we'll click on sign up. Okay, I have signed up. Now I just need to wait for a couple of minutes and then I will receive an email. Let me just go and check my email. Okay, so this is how you will get an email. You will get an option to reset your password. Quickly click on it. Reset password. Now you are inside your developer edition org. Okay, and if you go and click here, you will see data cloud setup. One more thing that you can verify, you can go to your user. Under your user, you will get multiple permission set, which is by default enabled, like data cloud administrator and all those permission sets. So we are getting this option to set up because of this permission set. There are other permission sets as well, which we are going to discuss in the next lecture. So stay tuned. Thank you.